Hello everyone, welcome back to Tricky Math. In previous video, we have discussed about HCF of given numbers by using common factors method. Today I am going to discuss about prime factorization method. To find the HCF of given numbers by prime factorization method, first break each given number into its prime factors. The given numbers are here 32, 80 and 96. First break each number into its prime factors 80, 96. It's prime factors only, prime numbers. Here I am writing prime numbers. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. These are the prime numbers. Here 32 is composite number. I am going to break this 32 as product of prime numbers. So the least prime number is 2. Now 2 ones are 2. Here 1 is left. 1 to 12. 2 6 are 12. 16 is a quotient. It is composite number. Again break down 16. 2 8s are 16. 8 is composite number. So 2 is a factor of this 8. 2 4s are 8. Now again 2 2s are 4. Again 2 ones are 2. Continue this process to get 1 as a quotient. Next number 80. It is even number. So 2 is a factor of 80. 2 4s are 8. 2 into 0, 0. Again it is even number. So 2 is a common factor of 40. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 0, 0. 20 is even number. Again 2 is a factor of 20. 2 10s are 20. Again 2 5s are 10. Next, here 5 is odd number. So 2 is not a factor of 5. Next prime number is 3. 3 is also not a factor of 5. Next go for next prime number, that is 5. 5 ones are 5. Here also we got 1 as a quotient. So stop here. The next number is 96. Now break down 96 as product of prime numbers. Here it is even number. So 2 is a factor of 96. 2 4s are 8. Here 1 is left. 1 6, 16. 2 8s are 16. Now 48 is a even number. Again 2 is a factor of 48. 2 2s are 2 4s are. 24 is even number. Again 2 is a factor of 24. 2 12 times 24. 12 is even number. 2 is a factor. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. Here 3 ones are 3. In all we got 1 as a quotient. Here 32 can be expressed as product of 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next, 80 can be expressed as product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 80 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 96 can be expressed as product of 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. 5 times 2, 2, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times into 3. Now, here we are going to find HCF, common factor, highest common factor. In 3 list, 2 is common. This 2 is also common. This 2 is also common in 3 list. 2 is common. So here 2 is there, but in second list 2 is not there. In third list it is there. 5 is only in second list. It is not in first list and second list. So these are non-common factors. These are the common factors. So HCF of, therefore, HCF of 32, 80, 96 is equal to product of their common factors. 2 into this 2 into this 2 into this 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. In this way we can find the HCF of given numbers. I hope you understood this video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe.